the lead humane officer for the city of Lake Jackson. We are out here on the possible future construction site of the animal control facility in case the bond proposal passes. The facility will be between the existing shelter and the mulch site.
One of the things that we did was we went ahead and separated 3 separate elements between sight, sound, and smell to accommodate not just our pets, but also our employees and our visitors. So all that was taken into consideration when we designed this building. Before we even put one board up, we already knew what we wanted to do. And part of that was to be able to accommodate these needs so that our public, when they come in, they're comfortable. As you can see when you walk into my lobby,
yes,
you get that wow feeling, that's intentional. We wanted it to be appealing because, again, we have to get people in our doors to get animals out alive.
yeah.
Oh yeah, we got a little bit of everything.